Judge Carbarga.
Ok, tiene que ir a corte septiembre 8 a las 9 de la mañana y la corte 4-3, la juez Cabarga.
Next is Justin Fool on page 7. Good morning, sir. You were arrested for possession of a controlled substance called crystal meth. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. There's probable cause. He just pled to a case, it looks like 9 days on July 11th. State, what do you want me to
A
do?
bond. I also see criminal history out of Texas.
I'm setting a bond. It's $2,500. Have a good day. Next is Carlos Gulen on page, I'm sorry, 7.
We need to pass him, Your Honor.
Okay. Then we have Stephen Simon on page 7.
Bond out.
Bond out, thank you. Justin Turner. Page 8. Do you have Justin Turner?
Coming up here.
Good morning, Mr. Turner. You were arrested for petty theft, 2 or more convictions. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. There is probable cause for the charges. You are ordered to stay away from the CVS pharmacy store at 170 Southeast 3rd Avenue in Miami, Florida. You are not allowed to go to that store and you must stay away from there, sir. So he has recent convictions. State, what do you want me to do?
Bonds.
I'll set his bond at,
Judge.
yes,
Okay.
$1,500. He's stealing beer from CVS.
Yeah,
I said it.
go back to the 2 that we passed.
Okay. So let me recall Gregory Clarret on page 5. Is that the one you want me to call first? Yeah, it was first.
Yes. Mr. Clarret has 2 ACs, no bond.
All right, here. I see a hold for F24 17513. Good morning, Mr. Clarret. You were arrested for petty theft, 2 or more convictions and false name after arrest. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. I'm sorry, I see the petty theft, 2 or more convictions. I have to find it.
False.
I see it. I have it. There's probable cause. You are ordered to stay away from the public store at 2551 Lejeune Road in Coral Gables, Florida. You are not allowed to go to that store and you must stay away from there. So, sir, you got to see the judge on Monday because you have arrest warrants and a hold as well. I'll set a bond. Count 1, petty theft, 2 or more convictions will be $1,500. Count 2, false name after arrest is $500. Have a nice day, sir. You want me to call now Carlos Gulen? Is he there? Good morning, sir. You were arrested for burglary with an assault or battery. It's from March 13th of 2025. Sir, can you afford to hire an attorney?
Yes. Yes. I mean, I just don't know what's going on, to be honest with you.
Well, right now you're charged with a crime punishable by life in prison if you're found guilty. So do you want to waive the lawyer's presence? I guess you shouldn't. Let me see.
Well,
1 second. He's picking up the child from, I guess,
Yes.
the ex, and he threw a book bag at her.
I think he shoved her and went into the house.
Do you have time sharing now with the child?
of course, this is. Can I explain?
No, don't explain anything.
Okay,
It's a
yes,
first degree felony.
I have we have time after this. We went to the court system. We
Okay,
we
you're in
have
family
timeshare.
court.
I do,
Stop. Okay, I got it. Do you want to waive a lawyer's presence or you want me to reset the case for the afternoon?
okay, I guess.
Okay, fine. There's probable cause for burglary with an assault or battery. I'm going to enter a stay away order from the victim. The state filed a motion for me to hold you with no bond, but I'll give you a bond. It's fine.
Please.
You need to make sure you do not have any contact with her. You can go through, so I'm going to read the stay away order and I'll allow you to have third-party contact with the victim, okay? So stay
you.
away from the alleged victim.
Yes.
What's her name? Yaylor?
Taylor Jancic. Yes.
What?
Taylor Jancic.
Oh, Taylor. I can't read the handwriting. Taylor Jancic.
Third-party contact for visitation consistent with any family court orders. So I don't know-
Third-party contact is permitted for exchange of time, for time sharing consistent with any family court orders. Thank you, Ms. F.
so I don't know if they do talking parents or what kind of apps they use.
Sorry. So you are allowed to, I'm allowing you, I'm sorry, no contact with Taylor Jancic, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. No contact with the victim through social media or other electronic means. You must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim, her home and school and place of employment at all times. Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs. Do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition. You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and file a receipt with the court. Do you understand the
Yes.
stay away order, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so
I-
he has no priors, right? And also third-party contact is permitted for time sharing, for exchange of child, time sharing with child consistent with any family court orders. Do you understand?
Yes, Your
He
Honor.
does have a misdemeanor withhold for trespass from June.
It's fine. He's obviously, they're going through some marital stuff. Listen, you violate the court stay away order and you pick up any new arrest, even if it's for like
I
a
am
misdemeanor,
not-
you're gonna be locked up in jail until your trial. You got it?
That will not happen, Your Honor. I'm gonna get a lawyer right away.
Good. Your bond's $7,500. Have a good day.
For the record, Your Honor, denied the
so much.
motion.
I
correct?
I'm
appreciate you.
denying the state's motion for pretrial detention. Now, just so you know, the state can revisit that with the division judge and ask that judge to detain you and you would lose your bond premium. I'm just letting you know that. It doesn't happen, so stay out of trouble.
No, I will 100%. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
understanding.
Have a good day.
Take care.
Next, we have, is it Kenneth Campbell?
Coming up. Mr. Campbell's present.
Good morning, Mr. Campbell. You were arrested for possession of cocaine, possession of drug paraphernalia, petty theft, resisting an officer without violence. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Give me a moment to review. All right, so he's pushing a cart with $385.82 of stolen shoes. He also had crack cocaine residue in a pipe, a debit card belonging to somebody else. Probable cause for the charges.
He's listed as homeless, and I do see some criminal history out of Central Florida.
1 second. All right, so sir, you are ordered to stay away from DD Discount Store at 599 Northeast 81st Street in Miami, Florida. You are not allowed to go to that store and you must stay away from there. So what'd you say? He has priors where?
Criminal history out of Central Florida. He's homeless. I don't know how long he's been in South Florida.
That she won't qualify for TAP.
Okay. So I'm setting a bond. Count one, possession of cocaine is $1,000. Count two, possession of drug paraphernalia is $500. Count three, petty theft is $500. And count four, resisting without is $500. Have a nice day, sir. Next we have is Christopher Brown. Page 8. He's out on bond, hold for F258032. Good morning, Mr. Brown. You were arrested for petty theft, 2 or more convictions. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. There is probable cause for the charge. You are ordered to stay away from the CVS pharmacy at 170 Southeast 3rd Avenue in Miami, Florida. You're not allowed to go to that store and you must stay away from there. He has an open case and he has priors. He has a hold, right?
Yep,
So I'll set a bond. What do you want, State? 1,500 is okay?
that's okay.
$1,500 bond. Have a nice day, sir. Next we have is Alejandro Espinosa. Good morning, sir. You were arrested for grand theft, a second-degree felony, and dealing in stolen property. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
We stole almost $50,000 worth of jewelry from the store at Dolphin Mall. And he
Was he working there?
yeah,
Hmm,
he's got no criminal history.
there's probable cause for the charges.
He
A lot
could-
of jewelry. Sir, you are ordered to stay away from Kay's Jewelry Store at 11401 Northwest 12th Avenue, 12th Street in Sweetwater, Florida. You are not allowed to go to that store and you must stay away from there. I'm setting a bond on this case. Count one, grand
If
theft.
able to potentially track down the jewelry that may assist in resolving the case.
Judge, he's lived here in the community all of his life. I see no prior.
It's
history.
a second-degree felony for both. I'm setting a bond. Count one is $7,500. Count two, the dealing in stolen property. I can set that a little lower. State, are you okay if I set that at 2,500?
Yes.
2,500 for count two. Good day, sir. Next, we have Alfonso Jones on page 9. If anybody's here for a case, they need to write the name of the case they're here for, please. Good morning, Mr. Jones. You were arrested for possession of cocaine. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Most of his priors are older, but he
What-
does
tap-
have an 8-day conviction from January of this year.
It's fine. Tap alternate bonds will be $2,500. Sir, you need a date to
He has
come
a
back?
place to stay. He has a place to stay.
Fine, just tap alternate 2,500. Have a good day, sir. Next is Jose Valerio Corzo, page 9.
Should be a 3rd-degree felony.
Thank you. Is he eligible for program? Then he should be.
No objection.
Thank you. Good morning. Where's Mr. Valerio Corzo? Does he need an interpreter?
Spanish, please.
Good morning, sir. You were arrested for grand theft. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Usted fue arrestado por robo de mayor cuantía. Le asigno el abogado de la defensa pública.
There's no value for the Lexus, so it's a 3rd-degree felony grand theft.
No hay valor para el Lexus, así que es una felonía en 3er grado.
So it will be pretrial services, alternate bond is $2,500. Have a good day.
Salir bajo un programa y $2,500 de fianza
Oh, no,
alterna.
do you live in
Oh, no.
Naples?
¿Usted
Do you
vive en
live in
Naples?
or Miami?
No, estoy aquí en Miami, pero mi dirección de Nepo, pero me estoy mudando por aquí para Miami.
No, I'm moving here to Miami. My address is in Naples, but I'm moving to Miami.
You don't qualify for pretrial, so this bond's $2,500.
No califica para el programa, entonces la fianza $2,500.
Have a nice day, sir.
Que tenga buen día.
You want these? I can keep track with you too. Here, Santino Stoino, page 10. It's easier to do it this way. To give it to you. Good morning. Is this Mr. Storino? No.
You know, we need to pass and he's gonna be on Zoom later.
Okay, 1 second. I'll pass then. Next, we have Daniel Alvarez. Good morning, Mr. Alvarez. You were arrested for aggravated assault with a firearm. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Spanish, please.
Usted fue arrestado por agresión con agravante con un arma de fuego. Le asigno a la abogada de la defensa pública.
So I'm reviewing for probable cause.
Estoy revisando a ver si hay motivo fundado.
So I guess he pointed the gun at the person who stole his wife's motorcycle. Is that what I'm reading right?
Parece que le apuntó el arma
No.
a la persona que le robó la motocicleta, a la esposa,
Oh, he's a motorcycle mechanic.
o es un mecánico de motocicleta.
The victim's a motorcycle mechanic and somebody randomly dropped off. They drop off bikes randomly, I guess, for repair.
Sí, parece que la víctima es un mecánico de moto.
There's probable cause for aggravated assault with a firearm.
Hay motivo fundado para agresión con agravante con un arma de fuego.
You are ordered to stay away from Lázaro de la Cruz, the alleged victim.
Se le ordena que se mantenga alejado de Lázaro de la Cruz, la
No
presunta víctima.
No contact with the victim either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties.
No contacto con la víctima ni directa ni indirectamente,
And
en
you
persona, por escrito, por teléfono, ni terceras personas.
and stay at least 500 feet away from the victim, his home, school, and place of employment at all times.
Y en todo momento tiene que mantenerse a 500 pies por lo menos de la víctima, su casa, escuela y lugar de empleo.
I'll set your bond to $2,500. Have a nice day.
Le fijé la fianza a $2,500.
Next, we have Juan Beltran. Page 10.
Spanish, please.
Good morning, sir. You were arrested for battery by strangulation, false imprisonment, and battery.
Ok. Agresión corporal por estrangulación, privar a la libertad de alguien ilegalmente y agresión corporal.
So, sir, I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Yo le asigno al abogado de la defensa pública.
There is probable cause for the charges.
¿Hay motivo fundado para estos cargos?
Sir, you are ordered to stay away from the alleged victim, Mia Valeriano.
Se le ordena que se mantenga alejado de la víctima, Mía Valeriano.
No contact with the victim either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties.
No puede tener contacto con la víctima, ni directa ni indirectamente, ni en persona, ni por escrito, ni por teléfono, ni por terceras personas.
And no contact with the victim through social media or other electronic means.
No contacto con la víctima por medios sociales ni electrónicos.
And you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim, her home, school, and place of employment at all times.
Y debe mantenerse a por lo menos 500 pies en todo momento de la víctima, su casa, escuela y lugar de empleo.
Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs.
No puede estar involucrado en ninguna actividad delictiva, ni usar ni poseer drogas ilegales.
And do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition.
No puede usar, comprar, poseer ni portar un arma de fuego, pistola, arma ni municiones.
You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and file a receipt with the court.
debe de entregar inmediatamente cualquier arma de fuego, municiones o permiso para portar arma oculta a la estación de policía más cercana y presentar recibo con la corte.
You may return to the victim's residence one time only within 48 hours of your release from jail.
Puede regresar una sola vez a la casa de la víctima después, dentro de las próximas 48 horas después que salga de la cárcel.
You must be accompanied by a police officer
Tiene que estar acompañado por un oficial de la policía
so that you can retrieve your personal clothing, health items, medication, personal and business-related paperwork, and work tools.
para poder retirar su ropa personal, artículos de salud, medicamentos, documentos personales y de negocio y herramientas para trabajar.
If you go to the victim's home without the police or if you stay there, you will be arrested.
Si usted va a la casa de la víctima sin un oficial de la policía o si se queda ahí, lo van a arrestar.
Wait a minute. Do you understand the stay away order, sir?
¿Comprende esta orden de alejamiento, señor?
Sí, su señoría.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm setting a bond. Count one is $4,000 for battery by strangulation.
$4,000 en el cargo 1 de agresión corporal por estrangulación.
Count two, false imprisonment. I'll set it at $1,000.
$1,000 cargo 2 de privación ilegal de libertad.
And count three, battery is $1,000.
Y $1,000 por el cargo 3, agresión corporal.
All right, good day, sir.
Que tenga buen día.
Seconds. Corrections, where's the fellow on Zoom? Santino Stoino?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, Mr. Beltran, did you say you can go back one time with the police to get his stuff?
I said that, I just read it
Okay.
to him.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, sorry. Just want to make sure.
Well, I'm the one tired usually.
I was multitasking. sorry.
It's okay, but it's a very busy courtroom here.
Mm.
So do you have Mr. Santino Storino there or no? Is he on Zoom? On video, Zoom, are you there? TGK?
Mm.
Because I'm gonna go to the next case. Corrections, is Mr. Storino there? Going once, going twice. Okay, well, he's not here and I'm gonna bid you adieu and say goodbye because Judge Lodi Jean is kind enough to take over. And it's my last time traveling to go get a kid. Gotta bring her back for school.
Have a safe
So-
trip, Judge.
Thank you. I'll see you all Monday, though. Judge Jean is here now, and I believe Judge Rodriguez will be here in the afternoon. Who's this gentleman? Is this Mr. Flores?
Yes, Judge, this is Mr. Flores.
One second, I gotta let Judge Jean take over. She's here. I just gotta leave her in good hands. So 1 second.
Okay,
So,
What do you want to do? He said he's just trying to talk to his dad.
we're trying to reach out to his dad and I've reached out this other one.
Okay.
okay,
Because that one also turns.
I think it turns everything off, but I'm not.
Can you guys hear? Can you guys hear?
Yeah, she can hear me now. I turned it.
Sorry.
Let me see.
If anybody's here for Mr. Flores, if they can please
Oh.
raise their hand.
I know this woman. Thank God it's.
Does he know Naelis?
We'll text you after.
Is that a family member,
Yes,
Miss
that's
Corey?
his sister. I'm gonna.
Give me 1 second.
Okay.
I can't remove my.
Let's just say it was pretty. No.
Hello?
1 second, I'm sorry. I'm gonna get set up. Hi, 1 second.
Trees down.
No, that's his
No
Zoom.
worries.
That's his Zoom. What's the phone there for? You gotta put that down. So this I'm passing for corrections. Pop up on Zoom.
Hola, papi, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo está en la cárcel? Yo quiero estar con ustedes. Quiero estar con ustedes.
Okay.
Gee, do you want my pens?
He's saying, hello, Dad. How are you? I want to be with you.
I want to be with him. I want to be with my mom, my dad, and my sister.
All right, Nali's iPad, put the cell phone down, please. The cell phone.
Ponga el
can't
celular.
record.
Baje el celular, por
Yeah,
favor.
we're not
Gracias.
allowed to record.
No se puede grabar.
Okay.
All right, folks. Good morning. What page are we on?
Page 11. We're on Andres Flores, at the top of the page.
Okay, Ms. Corey, the public defender is appointed to represent Mr. Flores.
Asignan al abogado de la defensa pública para que represente al señor Flores.
Father and sister are also present on Zoom.
El papá y la hermana están en Zoom.
What's your name? The sister?
Yeah.
My name is Najeli Flores.
Okay.
Does your dad, I know he has a difficulty speaking, but does your dad need the interpreter?
Yes, he does.
I'm sorry, the interpreter's here for him.
Yes. Okay. Yo soy la intérprete, señor. Yo lo voy a ayudar hoy, señor Flores, okay?
Gracias.
Thank you.
Do you know if your dad wants Andres to go back home?
Yes.
¿Usted quiere que su hijo regrese a la casa?
Sí.
Yes.
Here's where it's a little tricky. I'm not only concerned with the dad, I'm concerned with Andres. I want to make sure that he receives care and he doesn't hurt himself. I don't know if he goes to the doctor, if he takes his medication.
La fiscalía quiere asegurarse que Andrés esté seguro, que ella no sabe si toma el medicamento o recibe tratamiento.
All right. Andres, I'm sure you want to go home, right?
Oh, I don't want to do bad things. I want my criminal charges to drop. Like, I haven't done mischarges. I haven't done domestic violence. I haven't done felony.
I listen, right now, I just need to figure out where you're gonna stay. So if you want to go home, let me know. Do you want to go home and live with your sister and your dad?
Yes, I want to go home with my sister, my dad, my mom. I want to see my friends as well.
Okay, but I have one condition. Are you listening to me?
Yes.
You need to take your medicine.
Okay, I will take my medicine.
Okay.
How do I know you're, I'm sorry.
I promise I'll take my medicine. I'm going to take the flucazone and apiazole.
Ok, la jueza le está hablando con él, diciéndole que tiene que asegurarle que para ir para la casa, él tiene que tomar su medicamento. Y que cómo ella va a saber que él va a tomar el medicamento.
How do I know you're going to take your medicine, Andres?
I'm going to take my medicine, Judge, and I promise I won't be bad. I don't want a criminal record. I just want my criminal record to be dropped because I never done domestic violence. I didn't rob or I did anything bad.
Ok, él dice que él no quiere hacer cosas malas, que él no quiere tener récord penal, que él no hizo nada malo de violencia doméstica, ni nada.
All right, so, Dad, is it okay if I send Andres back home to you?
¿Está bien si yo mando a Andrés otra vez para la casa con usted?
Sí.
Yes.
So I don't know if the sister maybe has any insight about what's going on at home. Do you live with your parents and your brother, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
Do you think it's okay for him to come home? Does he need to go to the hospital first?
Hospital.
The hospital would be better. HCA, Adventura Hospital would be better. Because I don't find my sibling to be coming back home and then have a repercussion back again. And we'd have this situation again.
Ok. Ella está diciendo que es bueno que vaya al hospital y que lo estabilicen para que esta misma situación no se repita.
All right, let me ask the state what they recommend.
So I think Ms. Corey is going to run him, see if he's got benefits to go to the hospital and then stabilize him before he goes back home to his family.
Van a chequear a ver si él tiene los beneficios antes de regresar a la casa, que pueda ir al hospital.
Judge, he prefers to go to Aventura where he's familiar.
Yes.
And I think
He's
that's what his
also
family
in
prefer-
a
One moment. Judge, he prefers to go to Aventura Hospital. I would ask that you release him to pretrial services And he agrees to go with his family to Aventura Hospital for an evaluation, and the staff there determine if he needs to be hospitalized. He's willing to be hospitalized there. He prefers that, and he's very cooperative as far as getting treatment, but he does prefer Aventura versus a hospital he's never been to, and it's not.
Ok, la abogada está diciendo que lo dejaran salir bajo un programa donde después usted puedan llevarlo al Hospital Aventura, que es el que él prefiere porque ya lo conoce, que le hagan una evaluación y si requiere quedarse ahí, que se quede ahí. Él está dispuesto a cooperar con el tratamiento.
Yes.
We agree.
Okay. Andres, you're gonna go today to Aventura. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree because I'm not gonna get my criminal charges dropped.
Ok. Él quiere que le desestimen los cargos penales. Él está dispuesto a ir al hospital.
They'll probably get dropped in the future, just not today.
In the future, so that means that I could own in the future my right.
You're not gonna be a convicted felon.
No. Thank you, Judge. Thank you.
You're
Él lo
welcome.
que quiere. Que le quiten los cargos penales, lo que él quiere. Hoy no será eso, pero será en algún momento en el futuro.
So
Que le
Judge,
desestimen los cargos.
as a condition of your release, I know you're gonna order that the defendant not have any guns, so Najalis, can you make sure that there's no guns, firearms in the house he could have access to?
He doesn't own a gun, but he keeps saying he wants to. He wants to own a gun.
There's no one in the house.
Could you say that again? I couldn't hear
You
you.
don't have one in the house?
No, I don't.
Okay, no hay arma en la casa, no hay ninguna pistola en la casa.
Okay, so the stay away order is modified. He can have contact with Ciro Flores.
Ok, modificamos la orden de alejamiento. Puede tener contacto con Ciro Flores.
Andres, you can't possess any illegal drugs or guns. Do you understand?
Okay, yes, but in the future, can I own one?
In the future, when this case is over, but not now.
Yeah, I know.
Ok, ella dice que no puede poseer ninguna droga ilegal ni ningún arma de fuego. Él pregunta que si en el futuro él puede tener arma de fuego y la juez le responde que mientras este caso esté abierto, no. En el futuro, después que este caso cierra, eso es otra cosa.
All right, so it's pretrial services on both counts. The alternate bonds are $500 each on each count. Ordered in.
Va a salir bajo un programa y la fianza alterna 500 en el cargo 1 y 500 en el cargo 2.
So Judge, as a condition of pretrial, he has to agree to go to the hospital with his family the day he's released?
Yes.
Como la condición de su libertad, él tiene que estar de acuerdo con ir con su familia el día que salga de la cárcel al hospital.
As a condition of release, Andres, you're going to go with your family to HCA Aventura when you get out of jail. All right, anything further? All right,
Is he gonna leave today or is it tomorrow?
probably today. He'll call you or someone from the jail will call you.
So keep your phone on because the pretrial service program will call you to confirm his address.
Right, leave your phone on.
Okay,
Do you
mantengan
want
el teléfono encendido.
Do you need the phone? Do you want the phone number now, pretrial?
The
sister? Yeah, say it loud and slowly.
If I want the phone number on trial?
No, on file. Say your phone number loud and slowly.
786 378 2776.
And your full name?
Nallely Flores.
All right, thank you, Nally.
You're welcome.
Ready, folks?
I have a question.
Sure.
I would like to know if my sibling had taken any medications.
So I can tell, I don't know that answer, but I can tell you that the jail will process him and ask him questions. If he needs medicine and they have it, they will give it to him. Because they have a nurse at the jail.
Is it possible that we could give him the medication for him?
They're not gonna accept it from you.
Understood.
If he gets processed quickly today, bring it with you in the car when you pick him up.
Understood. Thank you.
Okay, all right, thank you. Good luck, guys.
Thank
Will
you.
do.
All right.
Your
All
Honor,
right,
we have
correct.
one on Zoom, page 9, Santino Stoino.
All right,
Hello, good morning,
Alejandro,
Your Honor.
good morning.
Roberto Storino.
Mr. Espino, let me just grab your paperwork.
Yes, Your Honor.
I think this is-
Good morning.
Good morning, we're just grabbing your paperwork. Thank you for your patience.
Okay.
Storino.
There was one that she called earlier. I don't know where she put it. She put it to the side somewhere.
I don't know where this came from. You want to just put this, all right, here's Lorenzo, here's Morales. Restrepo, Ben, Delva. McCreath. All right. We're still looking for your paperwork. Sorry about that. I don't know where she put it.
Does y'all not want me to screen share it?
Yeah,
Okay,
until we find it. I mean, it's somewhere in this desk
okay, I could do that.
because she called it, right?
Yeah, we're passing it.
This is it right here.
Oh,
Found
sorry.
it?
Yeah, we found it. Thank you. We found it.
Cell phone site.
Yeah. Can I just give you this for garbage? Thank you. All right, Santino. All right,
Yes, Your
sir.
Honor.
I'm appointing the public defender to represent you.
Hi, Mr. Storino, please do not make any statements or comments about what happened while we're here in court.
Yes, I want to hire my own attorney.
Well, let me ask you this. Since the public defender is here and it's pretty convenient, do you want them to help you out for bond hearing and then you can hire your own lawyer in the future?
No, I'd rather speak privately with my own attorney.
Okay, so you don't want the public defender right now?
No.
Okay, so I'm gonna advise you not to talk about the facts of the case. We're just discussing a bond right now. You're
Yes,
charged with,
well, I heard it was $3,000 for petty theft. It was a felony.
so hold on, let me tell you what the charges are. Misdemeanor trespass to a mobile gas station at 98 Northeast 167th Street, and then the second count is a petty theft, 2 or more convictions. I'm gonna review what's in front of me for probable cause.
Yes, Your Honor, I plead mercy of the court officer, Your Honor. Please, I'm sorry for what happened, ma'am. I promise you it won't happen. It won't occur again.
Don't talk about the facts of the case, okay?
Yes,
There's
ma'am.
no need to plead right now. There's no need to plead. We're not even at that stage. It's too early for a plea of anything.
Judge, the defendant's got priors out of Broward. He was convicted of battery and false imprisonment. He was sentenced to 364 with 1,038 days credit time served last year.
All right, sir. I'm gonna issue a stay away order in favor of the mobile gas station. 98 Northeast 167th Street in Miami, 500 feet. You cannot come into contact with that gas station. So stay at least 500 feet away. Do you understand me?
What's the address again?
98 Northeast 167th Street.
Okay, Your Honor. Thank
All right.
you.
So also, I'm gonna issue a straight bond. The trespass is $500. And the petty theft 2 or more conviction, the standard bond is $2,500. That's your bond. So you were right.
You can't reduce that, ma'am?
The total bond is $3,000. Not right now. Not right now.
It's too much money, ma'am. I can't afford it. I'm trying to get released. Could you have some mercy, please?
Sir, you're out on
There's
already-
no, okay, if you want to reduce it, it was $7.32. If you want to reduce count one a little.
He's out on a petty theft, right?
Judge, would you appoint the public defender's office? If he can't afford a bond, he probably cannot afford a private attorney.
Mr. Storino, can I appoint the public defender now for you?
No, I'd rather hire my own attorney. I already speak to my parents. I speak to my mom, Monica Maria Cordova, and my dad, Hernando Storino, I speak my own counsel.
Were you living with them at 100 Northeast 170th Street?
Yes, that's where I reside, A11. My landlord's name is Wiley de Leon, and the manager is called Antonio Gonzalez.
Who is your parents don't live there with you?
No, they pay my rent.
Okay. I have to ask, it looks like you're 35 years old. Is that accurate?
Yes, it was just my birthday, June 20th, about a
And
month and 10 days ago.
how far did you get in school?
I also wanted to,
College graduate, man. I studied Santa Fe College, business administration.
on the Broward County case, there were competency issues.
Okay,
Went
go
to a
back down.
hospital that
I-
made when the credit for time served over 1,000 days.
thank you. All right, so you said how far did you get in school? You said college?
I studied at Santa Fe College in Gainesville, Florida, a
So-
2-year associate degree in business administration.
I ask everyone these questions, so please don't think it's just you, okay, Mr. Storino? So my next question is, do you have a
Yes,
history of
ma'am.
have you ever had a history of mental illness?
No, ma'am, I'm completely healthy.
No, I know you're healthy. You look
Never had any
good.
mental illness in my life.
Were there any
Thank you,
issues
ma'am.
in
You
Broward?
too.
Thank you. Were there any issues in Broward? Do you know if you ever went into mental health court in Broward or saw a doctor in Broward?
I think I did, ma'am. I saw
Okay,
a doctor
so-
for schizophrenia. I had schizophrenia, but I'm cured now.
All right, so this is what we're gonna do. Even though you want to be your own lawyer, and I respect that, I have to have a full hearing. And based on what you're telling me right now, I am not gonna let you represent yourself. So the public defender is provisionally appointed.
Yes, I'll go with the public defender. That's easy. The state can help me.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Storino. Please do not discuss the facts of your case at this time, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge,
Attorney.
I would ask if you would consider either pretrial services or house arrest level 3 for Mr. Storino. He's charged with taking $7.32 worth of items.
Look, I understand I understand the sympathetic nature of the allegations. The fear is him having done this before, right? So there's allegations that he was at least arrested for this before. There's some serious charges in Broward. I'm gonna go along with you, Ms. Corey. I get it, but it's not just simply walking in, grabbing something. There's a history where there is a concern for the safety of the community. Mr. Storino,
Yes, Your Honor.
do you take medicine on a daily basis?
Yes, I do. I take Abilify and Depakote. That's what my doctor prescribed me at Jackson North. My doctor, Dr. Domingo.
Do you have all of those at home?
Yes, the manager at the house, Antonio Gonzalez, gives it to me every morning.
If
He's a good manager.
if I show you mercy and I let you out on an ankle monitor without a curfew, are you gonna take your medicine?
Yes, every day, every morning, and every morning I'll take it, Your Honor. I won't let you down.
If you don't, the judge can always revisit your case and revisit the release. Do you understand?
Yes, I'll take the ankle monitor. I'm okay with it.
Okay, it just so happens that I'm the judge, Miss Corey. One in 20 chances. So here we go. All right, Mr. Santorini, thank you for letting me appoint the public defender. That was the better idea, and I'm happy that you went along with it because Miss Curry's very good at what she does. So for now, it's going to be house arrest level 3. House arrest level 3.
Okay.
There's no curfew. Just stay away from the mobile gas station and take your medicine.
Thank you.
Yeah, alternate bond, 2,500 count 1, 500 count 2.
So, Mr. Storino, when you get out and get home, please call the public defender's office and talk to your assigned
What's the
attorney
phone number?
about your case.
Could you call my mother at 786-317-2981? Monica Maria Cordoba, Hernando Storino is my father's name. They're
Okay.
worried about me. My parents are worried about me. Please, public defender, I need you to be informed of them.
Okay.
Can you repeat it? Slower, please.
Repeat the number, but slow.
786-317-2981. Monica Maria Cordoba, Hernando Storino.
Perfect. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Storino.
All right. Anything else? Corrections?
No, back to the calendar, page 11, Miguel Tabaris.
Okay, page 11, Miguel Tabaris.
And he has 2 probation warrants, no bond.
To talk. Yeah. You gotta let me finish this so that if I can sign something for you, otherwise. Okay, yeah. Otherwise, let me get these people out of here. Okay, Mr. Tabaris. Good morning. Who represented you on your probation violation cases?
Public defender's office?
I haven't never went to court for probation violation.
Uh-huh. On those.
Was it your office? Lisette, we didn't get any warrants to sign? Okay. I forgot about that.
That she does not have funds to hire an attorney.
All right, so the public defender is appointed to represent you. Alrighty. Okay, Miss Eth, the DWLS seems like there's probable cause. The 27 grams of crystal meth. I see 21 grams. Oh, I see 9.69 grams. Where does it come up to?
Oh, wait, you have to add, what from,
Oh, the center console. I missed that.
yeah.
Okay. Miss Corey, any probable cause argument on the more serious offense of the trafficking in methamphetamine?
No, Judge.
I can appreciate that the cannabis is probably just possession at this point, right? State?
Let me see the weight on it. It's just over a felony amount.
Right, but it's not possession with intent, it's just possession.
It's fine.
Okay. All right, sir. What is there a recommended bond on to count 1?
The standard for F1s that have a bond are 15,000. Since you've got, anyways, it's okay.
So $15,000, count 1. Count 2 is only an F3, possession of a felony amount of marijuana. And that bond will be 2,500. Count 3, driving with a suspended license is 2,500. And the resisting without violence is 500. Does he have anything else?
Yes, 2 more
There's a
charges.
petty
Possession
theft
of
for
drug paraphernalia
stolen.
and petty theft.
All right, the drug paraphernalia, count 5 is 500. Count 6, the petty theft is 150. And he has probation warrants for Judge Richard Hirsch, Division 13. There'll be a felony hold for the probation warrants. All right, thank you, corrections. Okay, I have Dante Kane next.
Did we do that one? I think we may have done that one earlier.
Okay. I have Yosnir Nicholls next, right?
He's NBC, he's in quarantine, he has a hold for immigration, and there's added charges to misdemeanors that he has.
All right, Ms. Corey, can I appoint your office to represent him? And,
Yes, Judge.
okay, so the public defender is appointed to represent him. Judge,
Judge Garcia usually does 2,500 on these
okay,
charges.
so his bond is $2,500.
And Ms. F, do you have the name of the alleged victim?
Sure, hold on. It is Waldo Leyva Monteagudo. Leivamonteagudo.
Thank you.
No problem.
Next, I have Orlando Cruz. All right, Mr. Cruz, are you gonna hire your own lawyer? Can you afford one?
He cannot afford it, Judge.
All right, so the public defender is appointed.
Spanish, please, is
The
preferred.
public defender is appointed to represent you. You're charged with robbery by sudden snatch.
He's
Did
on
you say
felony bond, Your
Spanish?
Honor.
He prefers Spanish. He speaks. I mean,
Okay,
he prefers Spanish.
okay. Es robo, o sea, arrancar algo repentinamente y le han asignado al abogado de la defensa pública para que lo represente.
Alrighty, so there's probable cause for your arrest.
¿Hay motivo fundado para su arresto?
You're ordered to stay away from Natashu Regis. That's a 500-foot restriction.
Ok, se le tiene que mantenerse alejado de Natasha. What is the last name?
Regist, R-E-G-I-S-T.
Regist, eso es 500 pies por lo menos de la víctima.
No direct or indirect contact. No messages to third parties. Do you understand me?
No puede tener contacto ni directo ni indirectamente, ninguna comunicación ni por terceras personas.
Do you understand?
¿Comprende? I can't hear him.
Sí, comprendo.
Yes, I understand.
And we'll place a felony hold for Division 12 for the case ending in 13506.
Ok, usted tiene un caso, una felonía y termina en 13506. Tiene una orden de mantenerlo detenido para ir a esa corte.
All right, thank you, Mr. Cruz.
Gracias, señor Cruz.
Mr. Thomas.
Judge, what's the bond?
2,500.
2,500 de fianza.
All right, Mr. Thomas. Mr. Thomas, are you going to hire an attorney? Can you afford one?
Spanish, please.
Dusan Thomas speaks Spanish.
Señor Tomás.
Okay.
Ok.
Can you
Usted
afford?
va,
I'm sorry. No.
¿Usted tiene dinero para un abogado o se le asigna al abogado de la defensa pública?
Abogado de defensa pública por ahora.
For now, a public defender.
So the public defender is appointed to represent you.
Se le asigna al abogado de la defensa pública para que lo represente.
You're charged with strong arm robbery.
Robo con uso de fuerza.
We're going to review for probable cause.
Voy a revisar a ver si hay motivo fundado para el arresto.
Okay, so there's probable cause for your arrest.
Hubo motivo fundado para el arresto.
You need to stay away from Chrisley Brito.
Tiene que mantenerse alejado de Chrisley Brito.
No direct or indirect contact.
No contacto directo ni indirecto.
No messages to third parties.
Ningún mensaje por terceras personas.
You can't possess any firearms, weapons, or illegal drugs.
No puede poseer ningún arma de fuego, ningún arma ni drogas ilegales.
Do you understand me?
¿Usted me comprende?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you go live somewhere else besides the apartment?
Puede ir a vivir a otro lugar que no sea este apartamento.
Sí, claro, tengo mi hermano, tengo mi hermana.
Yes, of course. I have my brother and my sister.
You can go back to the apartment one time
Puede regresar al apartamento una vez
with the court order I'm signing.
con la orden que yo estoy firmando aquí.
It's right here to get your
Aquí.
personal belongings.
Para recoger sus pertenencias personales.
Otherwise, no contact with Miss Brito. Do you understand me?
Sí, y fuera de eso no puede tener contacto con la señorita Brito. ¿Comprende?
Sí, correcto. Una pregunta.
Yes, correct. Question.
Si ella es la que quiere ir, ¿yo puedo volver en este apartamento?
¿Perdón?
Si ella es la que quiere ir, ¿yo puedo volver tranquilamente al apartamento?
Okay. If she's the one that wants to leave, can I go back to the apartment?
Yes.
Sí.
Okay. So I'm gonna order you into pretrial services.
Voy a ordenar que le pueda salir bajo un programa.
Your alternate bond is $2,500.
Y la fianza alterna $2,500.
And a condition of bond is the stay away order, which we already talked about.
Y la condición de la fianza es la orden de alejamiento de la que acabamos de hablar.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Gracias, señor.
Jacobo Gutierrez. All right, Mr. Gutierrez, can you afford an attorney or are you going to hire one?
I can't afford an attorney.
All right, so the public defender is appointed to represent you. You're charged with attempted aggravated battery. So we'll all review what's in front of us for probable cause. All right, state, where's the attempted aggravated
I think
battery?
it's the battery, maybe.
Just a misdemeanor battery?
Yeah.
Are you born in South Carolina?
Yes, I was born in South Carolina.
I'm gonna ask the state if you've been arrested anywhere else besides Miami-Dade
There's
for
no
this.
criminal history that I'm aware of.
Okay, so first things first, there's probable cause for a misdemeanor battery. You need to stay away from DP. Do not have any contact with that individual. That's a 500-foot restriction. You can't send any messages either directly or indirectly. Do you understand my court orders?
Understand.
So the probable cause is for 1 count of misdemeanor battery. How long have you lived in Miami-Dade County?
10 years.
Okay, so I'm gonna refer you to pretrial services. Your alternate bond is $1,000. Ordered in. All right, thank you, Mr. Jacob. Yeah. I'm not doing that right now because I'm in the middle of something. Thank you, probation. I can't stop calendar right now. Thank you for your consideration. Pez Stewart, Yandre Pez Stewart.
You know, he has a hold for immigration.
Spanish, please.
Sí.
Usted tiene una orden de detención de inmigración.
All right, sir, the public defender is appointed to represent you.
Le asigno al abogado de la defensa pública para que lo represente.
So they didn't recover a lot of drugs, but they did have a scale in the empty baggies.
Ok, no recuperaron muchas drogas, pero había una pesa y bolsas vacías.
Judge, it does not indicate how big the apartment is and how many rooms there were, whether or not this was found in wherever Mr. Pez Stewart. It looks like he was just exiting, so there's nothing indicating it was in his possession.
Sí, la abogada disputa que no hay nada que indica que estaba en su posesión, usted estaba saliendo del apartamento.
All right, so there's probable cause for possession of cocaine and possession of drug paraphernalia.
Ok, hay motivo fundado para posesión de cocaína y posesión de parafernalia para uso de drogas.
Count 1 is $2,500.
Cargo 1, 2.500
Count 2 is 500.
y $500 por el cargo 2.
Thank you.
Gracias.
We only have one count.
Well, I'm adding another, I'm finding, don't find the PC for the paraphernalia?
No, if we may.
Hey,
file
okay,
it,
no,
but I don't
okay.
think, corrections can add an additional card on the.
All right, sorry about that. So forget it. So there's no count 2, it's only count 1, 2,500.
Nada más que hay un cargo número 1 y es $2.500.
I have Leanne Ramirez.
I thought we handled that yesterday, corrections, no?
Yosnir David.
Yesterday was reset for PC. Let me see.
No, we did the.
Oh, this is the Venezuelan music producer. Judge GLAZER had said that she had reset some probable cause hearings and he's one of them.
It was reset for private attorney.
Oh, okay, but the judge found PC yesterday.
I'm
And
sorry.
that's
So,
a hold for immigration also.
all right, Mr. Ramirez, did you get that private lawyer?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you guys?
Good. Judge GLAZER kept resetting your case. I was wrong. She reset it for you to get a lawyer.
Who is the lawyer?
I don't know his name, but it's Ranford. Because
Ranford?
he's the
In Spanish. Why don't you say it in Spanish?
Okay, sorry. My lawyer, mi abogado es el papá de mi mejor amigo.
He is my best friend's father.
Okay, él ya está on top of, de todo, ¿verdad? Pero
He's on top of everything already.
él despertó hoy a las 8 de la mañana, nos está pidiendo un poquito de tiempo porque está un poquito busy, ¿verdad? Para saber toda la información del caso.
He asked us for a bit more time. He woke up at 8 o'clock in the morning and he would like to obtain more information.
Okay, so remember, you're without a lawyer and you're going to go to court in a few weeks without a lawyer.
O acuérdese que usted está sin abogado y en unas cuantas semanas va a ir a corte sin abogado.
Ok, pero sí, yo estoy esperando por mi abogado que en cualquier momento viene a representarme.
But I am waiting for my attorney who at any time is coming to represent me.
That's fine. I'm not going to continue it over and over again for your lawyer.
Yo no voy a seguir aplazándolo y aplazándolo para su abogado.
It looks like he bonded out, right? Corrections?
Right, so he tried to bond out, but they wouldn't accept the bond because of the immigration holds.
Okay, usted trató de salir libre bajo fianza, pero no aceptaron la fianza porque usted tenía una orden de detención por parte de inmigración.
So am I setting the bond at 2,500?
That would be fine, Judge, if.
Voy a fijar la fianza a 2.500, sí.
Your
Está
your bond is still set at $2,500.
Su fianza sigue a $2.500.
Remember, you also have 2 bench warrants that each have a $2,500 bond.
Recuerde que usted tiene 2 órdenes de arresto que cada una tiene fianza de $2.500.
You'll go in front of a judge in about 3 weeks.
Como en 3 semanas usted va a comparecer ante un juez.
It'll be either you alone or your lawyer will appear for you.
Usted va a ir usted solo o su abogado va a comparecer en nombre suyo.
All right, corrections. He has a bond. He's going to get a lawyer and he will have an arraignment date set soon.
And I don't know if you heard me, Your Honor, but he has a hold for immigration also.
Sir, you need to be careful before you bond out because you have an hold for immigration.
Señor, tiene que tener cuidado antes de salir libre bajo fianza porque usted tiene una orden de mantenerse detenido por inmigración.
Do your research before you waste your money on a bond if immigration is going to transfer you to immigration court.
Ok. Usted haga bien su investigación antes de poner ninguna fianza antes de que inmigración lo transfiera a una corte de inmigración.
Do you understand what I'm explaining to you?
¿Usted entiende lo que yo le estoy explicando?
Correcto.
Correct.
All right, thank you. Good luck to you.
Gracias, buena suerte.
Joshua Pierre.
Good morning, Judge.
Hi, Mr. Pierre.
Hey.
This was set for PCH. I did send a subpoena to Officer Gonzalez. I haven't had any contact with him. Officer, if you're here, raise your hand on Zoom. Let us know. So it doesn't look like the officer's here. Can we reset it one more time and I'll try and get in touch with the officer?
So reset it tomorrow?
This afternoon.
Okay, so just pass it to the afternoon.
Yes.
All right. So we'll pass to the afternoon corrections.
Yes, Your Honor.
Next is Kent Bowes. Or Bose.
We did Mr. Bowes?
Felony
Judge?
bond.
Okay, sorry.
This is Mr. Nesbit, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Terrence Nesbeth.
Nesbit is on felony bond.
You know what that means, Mr. Nesbeth? You're out on bond. Do you have the public defender on that case? The older case?
You don't know? He's not sure, Judge. I'll look it up.
All right, so the public defender is appointed on this case. You're only 18, so I doubt you're gonna tell me you have. It's not an insult, but 18-year-olds usually don't have the necessary funds to hire a lawyer, so the public defender is appointed to represent you.
Okay.
We're gonna review what's in front of us. You're charged with grand theft vehicle as well as criminal mischief.
No.
Don't talk about the facts of the case.
Oh.
Don't talk about the facts of the case. Speak to your lawyer before you say anything. All right, state. It looks like the car he was in was reported stolen, right?
Yep, and it had damage to the steering column.
So he was the driver, because Sanders is listed as the passenger. All right, sir. There's probable cause for the grand theft vehicle arrest. Your bond as to count 1 is 2,500. The criminal mischief is 150. There's a felony hold for your division judge, F25-15242. So your division judge will decide if they're going to revoke your bond on your older case. Do you understand?
Yes, Judge. Yes.
All right, thank you. Next is Ortiz Ojeda.
Should be a bond out.
Is that what you guys have, bond out on the criminal mischief?
Yes.
Okay.
Alrighty, so he's a bond out. Yes. If you want the stay away order, you guys are gonna have to do that in division.
I understand, Judge.
Demetrius Wallace.
So yes, good morning.
Morning. All right, Mr. Wallace. Do you have the public defender on your open case, that petty theft?
Yes, I do.
All right, so the public defender is appointed here to represent you. It looks like 2A forms, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the first charge from August 7th is fraudulently using someone else's identification. The second one is a strong arm robbery. That one's from April 2025. Okay, so there's probable cause for the newer crime, 16978. Your bond is set at $2,500 on that case. On the strong arm robbery, there is a probable cause for the strong arm robbery. So you are ordered to stay away from the CVS pharmacy, 9720 Southwest 8th Street. That's a 500-foot restriction. Do not go back to that CVS. Do you understand my court order?
Yes, ma'am.
So your bond on that case is set at, what's the standard bond for an F2 these days?
7,500.
Could you decrease the bond a little bit, Judge?
No, he's out on a petty theft. So your bond is a straight bond of $7,500 plus the stay away order. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Demetrius. Next, I have Jamal Eberhart. Jamal Eberhart. Battery, pregnant. Okay. Are you gonna hire a lawyer? Can you afford one?
No, Your Honor, I cannot afford a lawyer.
So the public defender is appointed to represent you. We're gonna review what's in front of us. Looks like it's a battery charge on a pregnant female. Can you live somewhere else besides 915 Rutland Street? I'm assuming Miss Shine lives there. Can you live somewhere else besides that?
Oh no, she don't use that. She using my address for the car. That's because the car she stayed.
So who lives there at 915 Rutland Street? Do you live there alone?
Yeah, I know. I live there with my mom. I rent out a room there. That's why I rent out a room.
So it's only you and your mom.
Yeah, correct. Shine, she stayed in Liberty City.
That's fine. I don't really need to know where to live. Where she's living. You have to stay 500 feet away from her. You understand?
I understand that, Judge.
So you also can't send her any messages directly or through third parties indirectly. Do you understand?
Thank you for that knowledge. Yeah.
You also can't possess firearms, ammunitions, or illegal drugs. Do you understand?
I understand.
How long have you been working DoorDash?
I work at Miami University in DoorDash. I do DoorDash on the side because the car note and other bills. So DoorDash, I've been doing that for a couple of months, and I've been at University of Miami for like 3 years. So
Doing what at UM?
I'm a cook.
Okay, so I'm gonna order you into pretrial services. Your alternate bond will be $2,500. So you can either bond out $2,500, or you can go through the program, which is free. You check in once a week with them, and you need to keep your address updated with them. Do you understand?
Okay. Once I go to the program once a week, does that come on my record or anything?
The arrest is on your record. I can't help that. So I don't know how that's going to affect your jobs. One day at a time, okay, sir? All right, I have Thomas next, unless I missed one. Yeah, Thomas is next. Jeffrey Thomas. All right, Thomas, is that you?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Thomas, are you going to hire an attorney? Can you afford one?
I don't know why I need one.
Okay, well, you're charged with possession with intent to sell, deliver, or manufacture cocaine, and also possession of cocaine. So are you gonna, don't talk about the facts of the case. Are you gonna hire a lawyer? Or do you want Miss Corey, who's the public defender, standing right next to you?
She might well.
She might as well?
Yes.
So is that a yes?
Yes.
Okay, so the public defender is appointed to represent you. We're gonna review what's in front of us. It's from August 7th of this year. All right, so it looks like a hand-to-hand transaction.
So if I would split the bond, maybe 5,000, 2,500.
Do you have an objection to that, Ms. Corey?
No, Judge.
All right, so there's probable cause for your arrest. On each count, your bond will be $2,500. Okay, thank you, Mr. Thomas.
You know, I have a Nevia requirement. Are you requesting a Nevia?
No. Thank you. All righty, so I have a bunch of past cases, right? I have an Orlando Lorenzo. Not passed, I'm sorry,
He refused court, Your Honor. These are added charges.
Charge, Ms. Corey, you want to waive?
Yes, we can waive this.
Alrighty, the public defender is appointed to represent Mr. Lorenzo. So the incident date is from April, correct? And I'm sure the state will check to see if he was incarcerated.
So right, so it says he was released April 23rd and he was supposed to register after he was released and then again in May.
Oh, I'm sorry, I misread. But you'll check to see, right, if he was incarcerated May of 2025?
Yes.
Okay, so what does Judge Glazer usually set these bonds?
Standard 2,500 each.
All right, so $2,500 on this case.
2 counts.
I'm sorry, 2 counts. $2,500 each. Thank you for catching that. All right, next is Morales.
He refused court, Your Honor.
Okay, does he have the public defender on the other cases?
Check, one moment.
All right,
We do.
I'll appoint the public defender to represent him.
We'll waive his presence.
All right, the bond is $2,500. John Restrepo.
He refused, Your Honor.
Okay.
I don't think there's a value. Maybe it's a burglary because he's in the restricted only area of the apartment.
I'll appoint the public defender to represent him.
I'd ask you to find, we'll waive his presence. I'd ask you to find proper cause for misdemeanor petty theft. It's $54.99 value.
State, do you have an objection?
That's okay.
All right, so, but he is out on bond, right?
It's an added charge.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. So he's still in.
Yes.
All right, so probable cause for misdemeanor petty theft. M1 or M2 state?
I think it's an M2.
All right, M2, and what's the standard bond on that?
150.
150 bond for Restrepo. And if you want the stay away order, you're going to have to ask for it in division. Gavin's.
We did him already.
We did that case before, Your Honor.
Okay. Then, THEN.
You know, he's being reclassified. We need to reset it.
For tomorrow? This
Yeah.
afternoon, I'm sorry, I keep forgetting. Okay,
What's the reason? I'm sorry.
being reclassified.
Can you, do you have the card corrections or no?
Yes, we have the card.
You wanna
All
wait?
right, so then is this afternoon. Here we go. We have Antonio Delva.
He refused.
Okay. I'll appoint the public defender to represent him. You may have to, he's one of mine too, Ms. Corey. You may have to, conflict off. I have regional counsel on his,
Okay, I'll leave a note.
robbery cases.
We'll waive his presence.
Thank you. All right, looks like a shank. What does Judge Glazer usually, set at?
I think it should be actually 7,500, the F2. I think if it's drugs, it's an F3, but the weapon is an F2.
What does she usually set for an allegation of a shank?
7,500.
It's an F3 though. I'm gonna set 2,500.
I'm not sure.
All right, so I'm gonna set $2,500 for Mr. Delva's added charge. Last but not least, Mr. McCreath.
He refused, Your Honor.
All right. Would you waive his presence?
Problem is it's deviant. I'd like a stay away order. Can we
All
reset
right.
it?
For this afternoon defense, I'm sorry, corrections? Can we try Mr. McCreath for this afternoon? All
Yes, Your Honor.
right, so,
1:30.
all right, reset for the PM. Thanks, guys. Judge Rodriguez will be with you all this afternoon.
1:30?
Yeah, is that what you guys want, or did someone say another time?
I think 1:30 is good.
Okay, 1:30.
Thanks, everyone.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hold on, guys, 1:30 to 2, because I think he's at a luncheon at the Cuban American Bar Association, so please keep that in the back of your minds. If you all want to check in at 1:30, it is an hour and a half away, but there's a possibility it could be 2 p.m., okay?
Okay, great.
All right, thank you all.
Bye.
See you all later. Bye.
Recording stopped.
We appreciate that, Judge.
I try to keep it moving.
You did an awesome job, as always. Hey, Judge, it feels like every time you hear, you always get one of those. Like something in your division.
I don't need anyone to feel sorry for me. I'm missing the Cuban American Bar Association luncheon. It is what it is. It's okay.
My brother's probably over there with the plate.
Yeah. We'll put together. I'll sign some more.
If you can take the visa.
I did wear an extra dress today. All right, guys, have a good one. All right. Be in the building in case you needed people. Yeah, 30.
I already printed it out. It's just, it depends on who's setting it up, though. I'm not setting it up. I'm obviously down here.
All right, bye-bye, y'all.
Bye-bye.
Good weekend.
We're back at 1:30?
1:30 to 2, because we're getting enough.
For lunch, and so he probably gonna be like closer to, give me a second, D, so you can take up the recess.
So wait, you're gonna have another judge?
Yes.
Judge Rodriguez. Okay.
Give me 1 second, D, and I'll give you everything to take up for the resets. I'm behind as hell, everything. I'm gonna be here for a little bit.
I can't log in, so my phone went dead having Zoom up.
You printed the calendar, right?
Yeah, it should have printed by the printer by Kim.
Kim?
Yes.
Oh, by calendar.
Yeah, because our printers are not working for the calendar.
You can't do it over here. I probably don't.
Printed by, the printer and,
One by Kim.
by this Ken. 1:30 to 2.
I think I should put another one so I know who go over and get it.
That said that.
Make copies.
Yeah, that's next time.
Let me see what I got. You have a recess.
Cause I have to prep that calendar.
I hope it's not.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Recording in
Okay,
progress.
I'm in a different courtroom, so I'm not sure if we're ready. Do I wait for anybody?
Judge, I think you gotta put on your mic.
It's on, no? Hold on.
There's like a button.
How about that now?
Much better.
Perfect.
Much better, okay. So in terms of me going forward, do I need to wait for anyone or no? Are we good?
You just need to swear in.
Okay, let's swear in the defendants whenever they're ready.
Are you ready? All rise, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you are about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So say I do.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Let's go to the first case. Gertrudis Ubau. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right.
She should qualify for a pretrial. Also, corrections, I put a case in the chat for a probable cause hearing. If you can try and get Mr. Pierre.
Okay, we'll wait for the defendant. Public defender, do we know how to pronounce her name? I don't want to say it wrong.
Her name or her name?
Her name, I'm sorry.
Name?
First of all,
How do you pronounce that? Alejandro Puente. Oh, this is the wrong person.
oh, it's
This is
Ubau, the
Alex.
first one I have, right?
Right, this is the fourth one on calendar. I don't know if you want to take her now or
The fourth one? Okay, give me a second. Let me try to get there.
Alejandro Puente.
Appointed, give me a second. Is it appointed? Here it is. I got it. Give me a second. I'll get there. Does she need an interpreter?
Spanish, English? English is fine.
Okay, good afternoon, ma'am. We're here for Alejandro Lapuente, appointed public defender for purposes of this hearing. You've been charged with one count of petty theft, two or more convictions, any PC argument, public defender.
No, Judge, I would ask for the TAP program for Ms.
Would Your
Lapuente.
Honor, please make me a co-host. I wanted to screen share her criminal history.
How do I do that from here? Let me see. How do I do that, State? I don't know how to do that.
Maybe the clerk can help. I've never done it.
I don't see a click for co-host here. I don't think he knows either. Hold on, State. Let me see if I
It's only
see.
a Video, Judge does not have the authority. It's under video court is the host.
Oh, is that why?
Video, if
Okay.
you can make Miss Ed a co-host, please.
Thank you. So Judge, the defendant's got priors out of county. She was released from prison, it looks like in 24. She was sentenced to 2 years in state prison for battery on a law enforcement officer out of St. Lucie County. So here's her criminal history. So she was released in January of 24. It was for battery on a law enforcement officer. And then she also had locally 2.5
I don't think she's gonna qualify for TAP, public defender. I mean,
It's
State,
time
you.
to take her, but the state's objecting. It's up to you, Judge.
I mean, she also has a prior carjacking for 2016, right?
That was one for the TAP program.
Okay, I'm gonna let the division judge. Who's the division judge on this? Just to make sure.
Gamez.
I'm sorry?
Gamez.
All right, I'm just gonna do standard bond, let him deal with if he wants to do tap or not, and I have the priors.
Actually, Judge, she's
So,
stating that she does have a place to stay, that she could do an ankle monitor. Would you be willing to do that?
State, you open to that?
I mean, I guess it's a shoplifting case if you want to try house arrest.
Level 2?
Okay.
All right, so let's do house arrest level 2, alternate bond 5,000. Give me 1 second. Is there a stay away order? I thought I saw something.
There should be
Yes.
one.
Yeah, there's one for Target. So ma'am, I'm entering a stay order for the benefit of Target at 249 Northwest Sixth Street, Miami, Florida. You understand you're supposed to stay away from that location at all times, at least 500 feet away. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay, let me get this to the clerk. And can we go back to Obao, or is that person there, number 1?
Ubao is the last name.
Obao, thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Port Public
Yeah.
Defender for purposes of hearing. Sorry, clerk, you have something to say? Oh, I'm sorry. You're charged with 1 count of driver's license while permanently revoked. Any PC argument, public defender?
No, Judge, I would ask for pretrial services.
No objection.
All right, so it'll be just 1 count, pretrial services. Give me a second. Where's that's your clerk. Where's the stamp here? They usually the little stamp for the count 1.
I don't know what, I did not set this calendar up.
Should I just write it here in the top?
Yeah, just
All right, so we'll do pretrial services. Give me 1 second. 1.
Number 1?
I'm sorry? That's number 1 we're doing, wow. And then find PC. And anything else on this? No? Okay,
An
thank
alternate bond, would you want to do standard 25?
Oh, standard bombs, yeah, sorry. Standard will be 2,500. Alternate. Thanks for a reminder. Okay, thank you, ma'am. You're free to go. Next one, I believe, is Tashay Scott.
Yes.
Is that Miss Scott?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Give me a second. Sign that. Good morning, good afternoon, Miss Scott. Appointed public defender for purposes of this hearing. You've been charged with 3 counts, it looks like. 1 is possession of cocaine, 1 is possession with intent to sell crack cocaine, and 1 count of resisting an officer without violence. Any PC argument, public defender?
Yes.
Sorry, go ahead, counsel.
Judge, with regard to count 2, I'd ask you to find no probable cause for possession with intent, only for possession, and count 3 at best.
I think there was a hand-to-hand, I believe there's PC for everything, state's request, splitting 1 and 2, 2,500, 5,000, and 500.
So they did not stop anyone that they alleged to have had a hand-to-hand with. So there's no indication of any sales.
Okay, can I just read this a little further? I'm sorry, it's a lot to read, unless you're willing to split it, public defender.
No, Judge.
Okay, give me a second, let me just read it. All right, I believe there's enough. So I find probable cause on all 3 counts. State, what are you asking for?
2,500, 5,000, 500.
Public defender, any comment? No.
Judge, Ms. Scott is currently homeless. She can't afford a bond.
You want to try tap as an alternate state or see what
The
happens?
state's objecting, it's a possession with intent case, and she's got pages of priors.
Let me look at the priors. Hold on.
I also see convictions. for-
Actually, I don't have the priors here. Do we have the priors for Scott? Hold on, I put this wrong. Hold on, state. I thought I had the priors here, but I don't have the priors for
Yes,
Scott.
you gave it to me.
Oh, I gave it to you? Okay, hold on. That's all right. Yeah, TAP's not gonna accept it. State, what are you asking for again? Sorry.
It was 2,500, 5,500.
All right. Over defense objection. Anything on this? No. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Free to go.
So Judge, the bonds are,
What was the numbers again? State, you have it in front of you. I just gave it back to the clerk.
2,500, 5,500.
There you go. Thank you, State. Let's go to Anna Moreno.
And corrections, you're working on my PCH.
Miss Moreno is a bond out. Oh, wait, I'm sorry, that's the wrong one.
She's a bond out?
No, I'm sorry, wrong one.
Okay.
You called for which one?
Anna Moreno, next one. Anna Evis
So this
Moreno.
is a bond out. My apologies, yes. that's a
Okay,
bond.
that's all right. Let me give it to the clerk. Next one is Hector Valdivia.
That's a bond out.
Okay, bond out as well. And I think the next, is this all together? Yeah, it's all together. Okay, next one's Alejandro Cruz Rodriguez.
We'll need the Spanish interpreter. We'll waive reading of the charges.
Okay, I'll appoint a public defender for purposes here. Let's wait for the Spanish interpreter.
Asigno a la oficina de la Defensoría Pública. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Okay, good afternoon. So I'll appoint a public defender for this hearing. We're also waiving the reading of the charges.
Asigno a la oficina de la Defensoría Pública para esta audiencia y también se renuncia el derecho de la lectura de los cargos.
Any PC argument, public defender?
Judge, the age of the alleged victim was deleted from my arrest warrant. That would be the only issue I would see is the age.
So I have the unredacted copy, and I think the court should as well. I can proffer the victim's date of birth
Okay.
is 5/2/17.
17?
17, yes. Okay, and also we have a pretrial detention motion, right, State?
Yes.
So I'm gonna enter that. I will go before the division judge on Monday. Let me sign this first and I'll do the stay away order last, okay?
Muy bien. La Fiscalía también ha entablado una solicitud para detención preventiva. Esta será escuchada frente al juez de la división el día lunes.
Wait 1 second. Okay, sir, I'm entering a stay away order for the benefit of the victim, initials IHG.
Muy bien, señor, estoy emitiendo una orden de alejamiento a favor de la víctima cuyas iniciales son IHG.
And you understand you're supposed to stay away from this individual at all times, at least 500 feet away?
Y usted entiende que tiene que mantenerse alejado de esta persona en todo momento y no a menos de 500 pies de distancia.
Also, no direct or indirect contact, including email, texting, social media, and internet.
Así como también tiene prohibido cualquier tipo de contacto, ya sea directo, indirecto, por escrito, a través de mensajes de texto, a través de las redes sociales o cualquier otro tipo de comunicación electrónica.
You understand that, sir?
¿Me entiende, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, everyone. You're free to go.
Gracias, ya se puede marchar.
Need something? All right, hold on, let me sign this. Is this from now or
No, it was addressed in, Tinkler Mendez.
she's not here?
No.
Okay.
But, Wilson, so.
Wilson's not here either. She's out.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. All right, next one. I sign it? Yeah, no? All right, the next one I believe is Bruce Kaysen, right?
Mr. Kaysen is present.
Good afternoon, Mr. Kaysen. I appoint public defender for purposes of this hearing. You've been charged with 1 count possession of cocaine with intent to sell and tampering with physical evidence. Any PC argument?
Yes,
Public
Judge, it
defender.
appears to be possession.
I
only.
agree.
Okay, so count 1 would just be possession. That would make it a what, a 3rd degree, right?
Yep,
Yeah.
and I think he should qualify for pretrial.
Okay, so we'll do pre-trial alternate 2,500 each.
Yes.
So let me, Huh? Yeah, I'll order him in, yep. Give me a second, let me fill this out.
Oh, I don't think your owner needs to order him in because it's just possession.
They were just asking me, I just said
Okay,
yes.
yeah, he should
Yeah.
qualify for it.
Okay, let me just do the alternate, write it down. And that's it, right? Yes, thank you, sir, you're free to go. Next one is Lombana Daniel. I wonder if that's reverse.
No, I think that's
It's, it's reverse, Judge.
Yeah.
Right, because Lombana's the last name.
I don't know, ask him because I have it on
Okay,
here.
well, yeah, well, I was
It
gonna
is.
ask him, but
I did.
please, okay, hold on. So public defender, you confirmed, is it reverse or no?
Yes, his first name is Daniel.
Okay, so clerk, you wanna make a notation that it's reverse? I don't know how we do it, but just make a note of it on the record. Okay, so, sir, I'm gonna appoint a public defender for purposes of this hearing. Do we need an interpreter?
No, Judge, English is fine.
Okay, so you've been charged with 1 count of strong arm robbery. Any PC argument?
No, Judge.
State, what are you asking for?
Okay, so he's got no priors. The allegations are that they've struggled over a cell phone. If he's got somewhere else to go, maybe pre-trial.
He has another place he can go.
So pre-trial, 7,500 alternate?
That's the standard.
Yeah, we'll order them in. Give me a second, so we'll do pre-trial. Alternate 7,500. And let me do say we order, give me a second.
And Judge, they do have a child in common. If you could have third-party contact with regard to the child.
State any objection?
That's fine.
Where do I make the notation for this, clerk?
I believe it's one of the options in this later.
Is it,
Yeah, I haven't read that enough to know exactly which one it is.
do we know which paragraph of the state for the contact? I'm sorry.
Ms. Corey, is that something Judge Glazer writes in or there's
Right.
a subsection?
I never see the.
Okay, hold on, let me see.
It looks like you write it in, but I just wanna make sure. Actually, no, it says here 6. Was prohibited from physically threatening or
No,
violent,
I don't think
no?
that's it.
Oh, no, that's the victim, sorry.
So your Honor may need to write it in.
So what do you want me to say? How do you want me to write it? Anybody?
The defendant is allowed to have third-party contact in regards to visitation of,
Of the child.
right?
Does he have any belongings he got to pick up?
Yes, Judge, if you can go back one time with the police.
All right, so I'll do that. So, sir, I'm entering a state we order for the benefit of the victim, Celeste Perez. You're supposed to have no contact whatsoever at all times, 500 feet away, indirect or directly, whether by email, text messaging, social media, whatsoever. You understand that?
So no contact at all, no texting messages? Yes.
No
I-
contact whatsoever, email,
Yes.
social media, text, nothing. You understand that?
Yes, I understand.
And you understand you have a right to go back to the residence to get your belongings, but you must be escorted by a police officer. You understand that?
Okay.
They
Okay,
were living
obviously,
together with his mom, so thinks she might have moved out. So if she's moved out, he could return to the home, correct? But if she has not, then he'll.
right,
have
exactly.
like
If
to
she's
stay.
had not moved out, you have to be escorted by a police officer.
Okay.
Okay? Thank you, sir. Let me enter this and give it to the clerk. I think the next one is Brian Phillips, am I right?
And I was trying to get a case called out of turn for an officer who's present.
Okay, you want me to do it now?
And corrections can try and get Mr. Pierre.
What number is that one? Do we know?
I don't have the number, but I know it's on page.
Number 13.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Hold on,
And
give me a
page 4.
second. Hold on, let me see. Pierre, what's the first name?
Joshua?
Joshua Pierre.
All right,
And
hold
Sergeant
on.
Wallace, can you please unmute, turn on your camera?
Hold on, give me a second. What's next? Okay, so we're here for Joshua Pierre, appointed public defender for purposes of this hearing. Looks like we have a hold right for Judge Gamez
The defendant's out on felony bond.
and appointed public defender for purposes of this hearing. So what's going on? We an officer for what?
Judge, I don't know if Your Honor or the clerk can please swear in the sergeant.
Okay, but before we do that, I mean, why are we doing a hearing?
It's set for a PC hearing because the A form said that they recovered multiple clear plastic baggies containing a white powdery substance. So I'm gonna ask what Sergeant Gonzalez suspects that substance of being. So it's a PC hearing.
Okay, I got it. So clerk, you gonna swear him in?
Good afternoon. Officer, please raise your right hand. Do you swear affirm the testimony you are about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? If so, say I do.
I do.
All right, what's your name? What police department do you work for?
I'm Sergeant A. Gonzalez from the West Miami Police Department.
Okay, so what do you suspect the white powdery substance of being?
Cocaine.
Okay, I have no further questions. His attorney would ask.
All right, any questions, public defender?
Sergeant Gonzalez, did you test the white powder?
No, I did not. But based on my training and experience in narcotics investigation and the manner in which the baggies were packaged and commingled and the white powdery substance, I believe it's cocaine.
Do you have access to a testing kit?
No, we did not.
How were they packaged? Officer, how were they packaged?
There were small clear baggies, multiple.
Like the small ones or like the big Ziploc bags? What do you mean?
The small ones, the small ones.
Okay. Any other questions, public defender?
No, Judge.
Okay, thank you, officer.
Thank you.
Okay, so that was the only holdup state, that
Yes.
issue?
Yes.
All right, any other comment, public defender?
No, Judge.
All right, so I find it's one count of possession, right? Find
Yes.
PC, and the other one is a traffic infraction, right?
Um,
We already had that dealt with?
yep,
All right, so for first one, state standard bond,
requesting standard bond 2,500.
2,500, and then for count two, what do we deal with? What did we do last time
It's
with it?
already been handled.
Handled, okay. So fine, PC, and nothing else on this. All right, thank you, sir. You're free to go. So let's go back to Brian Phillips. All right, is that Mr. Phillips?
Yes, Judge.
All right, good afternoon, Mr. Phillips, appointed public defender for purposes of this hearing. You've been charged in, I guess, two cases. One is battery upon a person 65 or older and strong arm robbery. Any PC argument?
No, Judge.
Is this a family
Correct, these
member?
are added charges, or one's an added charge?
Is it? I mean, it seems like it, but just want to make sure.
I don't think that they're related.
Yeah, they're not related, but he was arrested for the March case, and then they added.
Oh, I see, June and March. I just saw the date right now. Okay, state, what are you asking for?
Standard bond, which would be 7,500 for the strong arm robbery and 5,000 for the battery on the elderly.
Yeah, I'll get to stay away orders in a second. All right, sir, so I'm entering two stay away orders. It looks like for the benefit of Vanessa Hayes and the initials LM, right, state? Is that the only two?
Yes.
And one's for, I guess, the 7-Eleven as well, and LM, I guess, is a minor. You understand you're supposed to stay away from those people and places at all times, at least 500 feet away, sir? Do you understand?
Yes.
And you're supposed to have no direct or indirect contact, including any social media, internet, texting, emailing, and telephone. You understand? You gotta say yes or no, sir.
I say yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Anything else state on this?
Just the standard bonds, please.
Right, I did that already.
Okay, that's it.
So let me just sign this, give it,
Mr. Phillips is currently homeless.
hold on.
Ask if you would consider any reduction in bond.
Hold on. 5,001 and 7,500 in the felony second. Give me a second, I'm gonna look at his priors.
He also has priors from out of state,
Recent or?
older.
All right, public defender, I'll let the division judge deal with that, okay, just based on me reading it. Thank you, sir. Let me sign this. All right, next one. Jesus Sotolongo Hernandez. Actually, where's the A form on this one? Oh, here. It's two A forms, right? Does the interpreter?
No, Judge, he doesn't need an interpreter. Thank you.
Okay, so he's also on bond for Judge Leon, right? So, sir, appoint public defender for purpose of this hearing. Give me a second. So you've been charged in two cases. One is grand theft, and the other one is carjacking, robbery. Any PC argument, public defender?
Judge, in the case ending 17015, that's a grand theft auto of the case in 17014, so it's really should be subsumed in that case.
So I would ask for $1 for the grand theft case.
And the carjacking case, it's his mother's car, according to the arrest form. He's sitting in the driver's seat, and she wanted to drive him to where he wanted to go instead of him driving, and it indicates he pushed her away and drove off in the car. I would ask that you deny the state's motion for pretrial detention and just said.
What's his priors? Let me look at it. Give me a second. He's got one
Got an
prior.
open case, no? F252774, let me look at it.
Well, look, public defender, I'm just gonna make it easy, okay? But since he's out on bond anyway, Judge Milan, I'm just gonna grant it, but it's likely gonna be dealt with everything all at once. Okay, I'm just gonna make it simple, and I'll just make it, we did the dollar bond on the 7015, and I'll make it no bond for now on the 7014, and let the division judge deal with everything. Give me a second. Let me sign everything. I'll do the stay away order.
Judge, can I have access to the record really quickly?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, so Miss Stetson, Ms. Hutland's case was on bond hearing calendar yesterday, and she would have went before her division judge today. So she's not going to be here in this courtroom. You should stand.
Wait, hold on. I'm sorry. Are we talking about Solongo Hernandez?
No, just there's a victim here, but it was for a case that was here yesterday. So I just wanted to let her know she's in the wrong courtroom. She
Okay,
should
I got
stand
it.
at the state attorney's office. The defendant went before her division judge this morning.
Okay, sorry for the confusion. I was just signing. I wasn't sure what you're talking about.
No.
All right, give me a second. Let me continue signing this. All right, so I'm gonna enter stay away order for the benefit, sir, for Rebecca Hernandez.
Sorry, we need to have him come back in. Sorry, Judge.
Oh, he left? Okay,
Yeah, they just had him walk out first.
sorry.
Take it a moment. He's back, Judge.
Okay, so we're back to Solongo Hernandez. I'm entering a stay away order for Rebecca Hernandez Semonte. Public defender, does he need to go back to pick up any belongings for the time being?
Yes, Judge.
All right, so let me do that. So, sir, you're supposed to stay away from this victim at this point at all times, at least 500 feet away. No direct or indirect contact, including email, texting, social media, internet, anything whatsoever. Do you understand that?
I understand.
And if you need to go back to pick up your belongings, you need to be escorted by a police officer. Do you understand that?
When can we do that?
You have to do it within 48 hours. Your public defender will explain to you how to do it.
Oh,
Okay?
perfect. Yeah,
All right, thank you. Well, it's upon your release, so you're not getting released right now, but they'll explain to you, okay? All right, thank you. Give me a second. Next one. Guillermo Simpson.
We'll need the Spanish interpreter for Mr. Simpson, please.
Okay, good afternoon, Mr. Simpson. I'm gonna appoint a public defender in your case.
Muy buenas tardes, señor Simpson. Le estoy asignando a la Defensoría Pública en su causa.
So you've been charged with one count of possession of a controlled substance. Any PC argument, public defender?
No, Judge, I would ask for pretrial.
The defendant is on probation.
Wait, state,
until-
I'm sorry, state you broke up. Say it one more time.
He's on probation until 2027. He was
With
on
like,
probation a month ago, and that's out of Broward County for, it looks like, grand theft second degree. So because he's on probation, state's requesting a bond.
yeah, let's do that. The division judge could deal with that later. So standard bond will be 2,500.
Yes.
Muy bien, señor Simpson, a usted se le imputa un cargo de tenencia de una sustancia controlada. La defensa no presenta argumento de causa probable, solo pide que lo pongan bajo el programa Pretrial Services. Sin embargo, su señoría, debido al argumento presentado por la fiscalía, usted está en libertad controlada hasta el año 2027 en el condado de Broward por hurto de mayor cuantía de segundo grado. Solicitan la fianza y es $2,500.
Thank you, sir. You're free to go.
Gracias, señor. Ya se puede marchar.
Cariel Suarez. Okay, designated interpreter, Mr. Suarez.
Judge? Excuse me, Judge,
Yes,
but Mr. Simpson was a straight bond or pretrial?
it was bond. What was it, 2,500?
Yes.
Yes, 2,500.
Are you placing a hold?
It's, the
Yes.
probation's in Broward, so
The
no.
Broward's not doing a hold, no.
Thank you.
Okay, so Cariel Suarez, a designated interpreter?
Yes, please.
Okay, appoint a public defender for purposes hearing. Good afternoon, Mr. Suarez.
Designo la Defensoría Pública para propósitos de esta audiencia. Buenas tardes, señor Suárez.
Okay, so before I proceed, we have a hold for Judge Delancey.
I
I
would
guess he's
ask
on
that you
probation,
not
2
hold.
cases.
Judge,
I
it's
would
an added
ask that you-
charge.
Correct. This is from 2024. The other charges are 2025.
Oh, okay. So, any PC argument? I'm sorry, he's been charged with one count of retail theft. Any PC argument?
No, Judge.
State, what are you asking for?
Standard bond stay away order.
So 2,500. Okay, sir, I'm entering a stay away order for the benefit of CVS at Hammocks Boulevard.
Go ahead, Your Honor.
Yeah, did you hear me?
I did.
Okay, you can interpret that.
Perfect. Ok, señor, usted tiene una retención que emite la jueza de Lancy porque usted tiene otros 2 casos por lo que está en libertad controlada. Este es el caso que data del año 2025. Se le imputa a usted robo de una tienda. Voy a emitir una orden de alejamiento a favor de la farmacia CVS que se encuentra en Hammocks Boulevard.
Do you understand you're supposed to stay away from that place at all times, at least 500 feet away? Indirect and direct contact, you understand that?
¿Usted entiende que en todo momento tiene que mantenerse a no menos de 500 pies de distancia de la tienda y no puede tener contacto ya sea directo o indirecto? ¿Lo entiende?
Sí, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir, for the go.
Gracias, señor. Se puede marchar.
Second. Next one, Luis Then, I guess. I guess is a reset.
He wasn't brought this morning.
Okay. This is 2 cases, right? Yes. Actually, where's the second A form? Oh, here.
Corrections, is he here, Mr. Then? Or is he still
Reset.
being reclassified?
Refuse court.
He
So
refused being reclassified.
So do I reset for tomorrow? What do I do? I'm sorry? What you say?
He refused court, Judge. Reset for tomorrow.
Okay, reset for tomorrow.
Because earlier he was being reclassified. Just want to make sure it's really a refusal versus a reclassification.
You want me to just hold on until I call the next one?
No, Judge, she's not here.
So correction said it was refusal.
Okay,
All right.
next one is Jermaine Walker. Looks like there's added charges.
Yep.
Is he there or no?
Number 15 to your court, reset tomorrow. We'll waive his presence, Judge.
Okay, so any PC argument, he's charged with 1 count of battery by detainee.
No, Judge.
So make it 5,000 state.
Judge Glazer usually does 2,500.
Okay. Okay, that. All right, so let me enter that. Thank you. Next one. Almost done. Mikhail McCreath. Is this 2 cases or one? One.
It is 1 case.
It's a reset, it looks like.
Yes.
Did you refuse again corrections?
Refuse court.
If we can reset it for tomorrow, please.
Reset for tomorrow, and also he's on hold with LO. And I think the last one.
Added charge.
Hold on. Last one looks like added charge Nathan Seth. Will he be here for that or no? All right, do I call this one or no?
Corrections, where's you? Olseth.
Refuse court, reset tomorrow.
You refuse, Ms. Corey, you want to waive his presence?
Okay.
We can waive his presence, Judge.
So I'm not sure if it's aggravated, but it
Looks like
is pretty
battery.
nasty. Would you want to do 5,000 each count?
Okay. So we'll make it 5,000. Okay, clerk, we're done. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great weekend.
Have a good weekend.
Excuse me, Judge.
Once I get upstairs,
Yes.
probably like a half hour from now.
Okay, do I?
Number 7, we have a discrepancy.
Wait, hold on.
Maybe I messed up.
Wait, hold on. What's the discrepancy?
Pretrial alternate 2,500 each count.
Yes, they're saying.
Okay, can you enter it in the system? There's only 1 count shown in the system.
Okay, you'll make a note. Anything else?
Any other one?
Go-
No, just that one.
Going once, going twice? All right, sold. Thank you, everyone. So I'm gonna log off, right? Should I log off, clerk?
Yes.
I'm gonna close the shop.
Recording stopped.